Hi friends! Today we are going on a pretend jungle safari where we are going to learn a lot of things about jungle and animals living in there. Well friends, do you know what really jungle is? A jungle is a hot, wet place with lots of tall trees and amazing animals. Let's meet some of these fascinating animals, friends. Well, before we move forward, would you like to try just acting like those animals? Maybe you can pretend how they make sounds, how they walk. All you need a big space in your home and you can pretend to be like those animals. Let's try. First, let's pick your imaginary binoculars. Hold them up to your eyes. Let's see which animal we can see. Look, friends, an elephant. An elephant have a big floppy ears, a long trunk for grabbing their food and tusk coming out of their mouth. Can you pretend to be like an elephant? Let's stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now let's pretend our arms is our trunk and we are swinging. Ooh. Ooh, let's pretend to be an elephant while swinging our trunk and stomping. Ooh. Well, it's not an easy job to be an elephant. It's difficult to set coordination while swinging our trunks and stomping together. But I had a lot of fun. Did you? Let's do one more time. Ooh. Ooh. Friends, there are lots of animals who lives in the jungle and they all make different sounds. Let's hear how elephant makes sound. Do you know elephants love to spray water with their trunks? Let's pretend that we are elephants and take a deep breath. Pretend that you have filled water in your trunk and now you are about to spray. That's really fun. Well, let's pick up our imaginary binoculars and see who we can spot next. Look, friends, I see a chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are super strong and they love to climb. And do you know, chimpanzees loves to play games just like us. Yes, chimpanzees love to climb on trees, swinging from one vine to another, and they love playing games with their mates. Can you pretend to hang on a vine like a chimpanzee? Now can you pretend to chomp on a tasty fruit like a chimpanzee? That's how chimpanzees eat. Let's now pick up our imaginary binocular and see who we can spot next. Look, friends, it's a snake. Can you pretend to slide like a snake? We are sliding like a snake. Do you know what sound does a snake makes? Yes, snake do hiss. Can Can you pretend to hiss like a snake? Now let's pretend to slide and hiss together. That's really fun, isn't it? Yeah. Do you know, friends, why don't snakes walk? That's right, because they do not have any hands or legs like humans do, and they only slithers on their belly. And their tongues are so long and forked that it helps them smell their food. Now, if you want to pretend like a snake, all you have to do is lay down on the floor and start wiggling like a snake back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yay! You are pretending to be like a snake. Now you can make sound. Now let's hold our imaginary binoculars and bring them close to your eyes and see which animal can we see next. Look! It's a leopard! This beautiful cat with tiny spots on his body is Leopard. Leopard loves to hide in tall grass, and they are very fast runner and they love to climb on the trees. Can you pretend to crawl like a leopard? Silent crawler. They don't let others know that they are near. They are very sharp-minded and they are very wild. Can you pretend to roar like a leopard? Friends, leopards are very sneaky in nature. Would you like to pretend with me to be a sneaky leopard? Let's try. Let's walk on our tippy toes and crawl silently and see if you can sneak up on someone at your home. That's just for fun. Now let's pick up our imaginary binoculars once more and see which animal can we see. Look, friends, I see a frog. Frogs live in the pond and they love to jump around. They make rabbit, rabbit, rabbit sound in the night. Would you like to pretend to be a frog with me? Yeah, frog just hop. So let's hop like a frog. Hop, 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 hop. We are hopping like a frog. Hop, 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 hopping like a frog. Let's pick up our imaginary binocular once again and look for another animal. Did you see any? Look, I see a parrot. Can you flap your wings like a parrot too? Flap, 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 flap. Parrots are wild animals. They are good at copying whatever you say. Can you squawk like parrots? Squawk, 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 squawk. Wow! We are on a journey of jungle safari and we are exploring so many amazing animals. Can you remember how many animals have you met so far? Let's count. We met elephant, we met snake, we met chimpanzee, and now we met parrot. And one more. We met frog. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So far, we have met 6 jungle animals. Let's explore more. Pick up your imaginary binoculars and walk, 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 walk. What do you see? I see a monkey. Do you know monkeys are known for their love of swinging on the trees with their long arms and tails? Can you swirl your tail like a monkey? That's fun. Monkeys are very, very social animal and they always live in a group. It's called troop. Can you pretend to swing like a monkey? From one vine or one tree to another, let's pretend to be a monkey, swinging from one branch of the tree, holding on to your arms like branches, swinging back and forth. It's fun to pretend like a monkey. Do you know what sound does a monkey makes? They do ooh ooh ah ah, ooh ooh ah ah. Can you do like a monkey? Ooh ooh ah ah, ooh ooh ah ah. Isn't it fun? We are having so much fun on our jungle safari today. Let's hold up our binoculars close to our eyes and move forward to look which animal we can see next. Oh, I see a tiger. Tigers are strong big cat. Let's roar like a mighty tiger. All you need to do is take a deep big breath. Now roar. Can you pretend to roar like a tiger once more with me? Roar! You are indeed very strong like a tiger. Do you know, friends, that tigers are the biggest cat in the world and they have sharp claws and teeth for hunting and they have orange fur with black stripes for camouflage. Now let's pick up our binocular for one last time. Let's pretend we are walking, walking and looking around. Can you see something? What's that hanging in there? Yeah, it looks like a sloth to me. Did you see that? Look at this chilling sloth. Sloths are very slowest mammals on the earth. You can pretend to hang upside down like a sloth, but do not do any stunts without any supervision of grown-ups. You just have to pretend to hang upside down. Don't do that in reality. Sloths are lazy animals and they like to chill and they like to swing and they just like to relax. Well, I am super tired as well after being on this jungle safari. We've walked a lot. Let's take a pretend glass of water. I was thirsty. Well, I believe so are you. So don't forget to take a glass of water at home. Wow, friends! Today we met so many jungle animals and we learned a lot about them, whether about their eating habit, living habit, or how they sound. Do you remember the names of these animals? Let's see if you can name them. Can you tell which animal had a big floppy ears and a big trunk? Yes, you're right. It's an elephant. Now can you tell which animal is this? He likes to swing from vine to vine. That's right, it's a chimpanzee. Now, can you tell which animal likes to slither and do not have any legs? You're right, it's a snake. Can you see a pattern here? Chimpanzee, tiger. Chimpanzee, tiger. Chimpanzee. What comes next? That's right, tiger. Now that we have explored all our jungle animals, let's sing a song. Elephants trumpeting, can't you hear the sound? Chimpanzees are swinging, monkeys jumping around. Snake is slithering, sneaky as he can be. Frog is in the pond singing repeatedly. Jungle friends come out to play. Sunshine's warm as brand new day. Leopard spots and parrot squawks. Let's explore the jungle walk. Jungle friends come out to play. Sunshine's warm, it's a brand new day. Leopard spots, parrot squawks. Let's explore the jungle walk. Tiger stripes are gleaming, peeking through the trees. Sloth is hanging upside down, taking a gentle breeze. Monkeys chatter loudly, swinging vine to vine. Jungle friends together, having such a time. Jungle friends come out to play. Sunshine warms as a brand new day. Leopard spots, parrot squawks. Let's explore the jungle walk. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wow, friends, today I had so much fun. Thank you for joining me in for our jungle safari adventure. I really hope you had a lot of fun and learned a lot about all these animals while pretending to beat them at your home. Well, it's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye. I will see you soon with another educational video. But don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and our videos to watch such amazing upcoming educational content. Bye-bye.